Welcome everyone to Toysbackzen. Today is very exciting for me. So I've been collecting M.a.s.k vehicles and figures, and where I live they're hard to find. I did buy a really awesome M.a.s.k collection from someone just recently. I'll put the video up on top here, so if you want to check that out afterwards. But after that, I'm like, well, I've got to have a playset. And of course, Boulder Hill is the playset that you want when you're collecting M.a.s.k things. So here it is. I'm unboxing the Boulder Hill. Now, it did come with some figures, did come with some vehicles. I am aware that this is not complete. It's not in the best condition. But I'm not worried about that. I just want something in my collection room that I can put my figures and my vehicles around that's going to look good. And of course, I'm not opposed to having this Boulder Hill complete. I'm sure I'll find parts over time that will help me complete it. So let's take a look and see. As you can see, it's been packed quite well. I'm going to try to keep the garbage off my living room floor here and put everything in a bag as I'm doing this. This was shipped about 3,000 kilometers away from me, which is pretty far for a big playset like this, and I'm hoping there's no damage. And if there is, well, it's just going to be a repair I'll have to do. He did pack it really nicely. Everything is bubble wrapped, all the parts. So that's amazing. Thank you to the seller. And I know there's some vehicles in here. Here's one vehicle. Here we have Bulldog. It's a tractor trailer. It's really cool. Here's the top of Boulder Hill. It's like the mountain that goes on top. If you're not familiar with M.a.s.k, these playsets and vehicles transform. They're just regular vehicles, but they transform into, military vehicles, artillery vehicles, with guns and missiles. And when they're transformed back to a regular vehicle, it just looks like a truck or a car or a helicopter, whatever it is. This Boulder Hill is actually a service station, and then it turns into a headquarters for M.a.s.k. wanted to do a shout out to M.a.s.k. I met him at a toy show one time in Ontario, but he just did a video, a review of this Boulder Hill, and it's top notch, fantastic. So shout out to Michael Mercy. Nerd must stay, buddy. So here's the Ford Bronco, the jackhammer. This is my second one. I've already did an unboxing of one before this, so I'll probably take the best of the two, and that will go into my collection. I'll sell out the other one. Now we're starting to get into big parts of the playset. And I know there's more vehicles in here too. Here we have the 57 Chevy called the Hurricane. Missing the top, that's unfortunate, and some other pieces, but I don't have this in my collection, so it will be a good filler until I get a better one or the parts. Pretty cool. I love it. Here we have the Chevy Camaro called the Thunderhawk. This is also my second one. So I'll be, because the first one that I got was missing some pieces, so maybe I can get both of all the pieces together from one. And here we go. Here is the main section of Boulder Hill. This is huge. Love it. It's way bigger than I thought it was. It's hard to tell the size when you look at on YouTube or in pictures, but when you get it in your hands, it's so awesome. And I know I'm making a video right now, but I really want to play with it. There's the jail, so that's awesome. It comes with the jail. And you can see it has some figures in there. Some of those figures I already have. And you can see it has the gas pumps too. So here it is. These are all the things that it came with. I'm not going to go through it with you and review it. I just wanted to show, you know, that I did get this, and it's really awesome. I am a toy collector, but to me, nothing has to be perfect and complete, although it's nice sometimes to get things complete. It's missing a door in the front. It's missing the gas tank hoses with the nozzles and the sign. And I think that's it. The rest of it is there. So I think I did okay. Most of it seems okay. I think there's a little crack in the base there, but I'll take a look at that later. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to my videos. I have several videos that I release every week. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Keep your eyes open for those. See ya.